Hello. Um, in lieu of finals week being more than I had anticipated, and in spite of the 1 week extension, I was not able to get this done to the best of my ability. However, I would like to show off what I have done because I think that it does work, what little I do have. So I'll just start off here with the public class battle driver. So obviously the display menu class here is set up outside of the main menu class, which would save space if I had been able to complete the rest of it. But that is set up correctly. Obviously, we have dice battle game set to the print line in the first line that's right here. So 0, you would be able to exit it, and right here you get to that setup. So this do while loop will end when the menu option is 0. And basically, let's see. Yeah, menu option is set up here as -1 as a variable, and so is user input, which is a separate one that I set up. The menu option can be like this is the scanner. Set up the scanner. And yes, like I said, I have number 1 for quick fight, number 2 for just a health fight, 3 for custom fight, 4 for show colors. None of these necessarily work, but they are set up kind of here. They're ready to be displayed here. The for loop I have set up here basically just says that as 1 is less than or equal to 35, then it will increment, obviously, until it gets to 35. This is just here to test that, make sure it works. That should be 6, that should be 4. Let's see. And these are obviously the 2 variables that I set up. This is where I call display menu that I created up here. I imported the scanner. Not sure if I need to say that, but let's see. So yeah, I have menu option right here to ask the input from the scanner that I created here, imported here. This is a switch statement. So basically, it just gets whatever option you picked here, and it chooses the corresponding case. Apologies for that. So case 1 would result in result 1, which would be quick fight. Then case 2 would result in result 2, which would be just a health fight, then custom fight, and show colors. So I have those here. I also implemented user input just for like down the line whenever I needed it. Let's see, and of course it ends when there's 0. So I'll just show that off real quick. Then just kind of, like I said, that was just to test that. And then 1, result 1, 2, that's bizarre. 3, result 3, 4, result 4. And then 0, strange because I had to hit twice, but that's because of the user input that I put in. I'll have to fix that. Yes. Or I should. There you go. So I also have this. Well, this is basically as finished as I have this, unfortunately. But well, I'll kind of just like explain what this is. So this would ask or display what was up in the display menu up here, and then from there it would get the user input that might be required for this, and then it displays the corresponding result from the user input down here, and that will be the same for all of these. And obviously you've already seen it being working. So stats is significantly less. It doesn't really function. It's just kind of there. I just kind of set up setters and getters for the attacking and defense. I just kind of put doubles in return here just to make sure that it didn't put up any errors for battle driver. So obviously I set up the stats class, and then I put in the integers for attack and defense. Set them private, and then I have them here as parameters. And down here, it's just I had to comment these out because they weren't working quite right, and I needed to finish them in order for them not to produce an error for the other one. So unfortunately, it isn't quite finished, but this main menu does work as intended for the most part. So I suppose that would be the end of that. With that hope you have a nice day.